Christmas my true love gave to me a large robin on a Christmas tree. On the second day of Christmas my true love gave to me 2 dinosaurs and a large robin on a Christmas tree. On the third day of Christmas my true love gave to me 3 dragonflies, 2 dinosaurs and a large robin on a Christmas tree. On the fourth day of Christmas my true love gave to me 5 pussycats, 3 dragonflies, 2 dinosaurs and a large robin on a Christmas tree. On the 5th day of Christmas my true love gave to me 5 unicorns, 4 pussycats, 3 dragonflies, 2 dinosaurs and a large robin on a Christmas tree. On the 6th day of Christmas my true love gave to me 6 pigs a grunting, 5 unicorns, 4 pussycats, 3 dragonflies, 2 dinosaurs and a large robin on a Christmas tree. On the 7th day of Christmas my true love gave to me 7 dolphins swimming, 6 pigs a grunting, 5 unicorns, 4 pussycats, 3 dragonflies, 2 dinosaurs and a large robin on a Christmas tree. On the 8th day of Christmas my true love gave to me 8 witches flying, 7 dolphins swimming, 6 pigs a grunting, 5 unicorns, 4 pussycats, 3 dragonflies, 2 dinosaurs and a large robin on a Christmas tree. On the 9th day of Christmas my true love gave to me 9 bats a flapping, 8 witches flying, 7 dolphins swimming, 8 pigs a grunting, 5 unicorns, 4 pussycats, 3 dragonflies, 2 dinosaurs and a large robin on a Christmas tree. On the 10th day of Christmas my true love gave to me 10 deer a leaping, 9 bats a flapping, 8 witches flying, 7 dolphins swimming, 6 pigs a grunting, 5 unicorns, 4 pussycats, 3 dragonflies, 2 dinosaurs and a large robin on a Christmas tree. On the 11th day of Christmas my true love gave to me 11 flowers a blooming, 10 deer a leaping, 9 bats a flapping, 8 witches flying, 7 dolphins swimming, 6 pigs a grunting, 5 unicorns, 4 pussycats, 3 dragonflies, 2 dinosaurs and a large robin on a Christmas tree. On the 12th day of Christmas my true love gave to me 12 hares a racing, 11 flowers blooming, 10 deers a leaping, 9 bats a flapping, 8 witches flying, 7 dolphins swimming, 6 pigs a grunting, 5 unicorns, 4 pussycats, 3 dragonflies, 2 dinosaurs and a large robin on a Christmas tree.
Yay!
Merry Christmas, everybody!